All right, Sandra and I are walking around Mount Airy at nighttime, and everything is pretty much shut down. Got the Mayberry car down through here, but I just wanted to show you, for you guys that have never been to Mount Airy downtown, everything is centered around the Andy Griffith Show. And so this one here has a
Somebody's gonna get a ticket.
Where's Andy or Barney when you need them?
I don't know. I want citizens arrest him.
Well, here we go. Got this looks like a vintage statue right there.
It's metal. I think looks like it's metal. Might be a piggy bank. I don't know. Okay.
I'm not seeing a slide. I'm not seeing anything. I think it's an actual statue there.
Okay.
But of Andy Griffith. And so but you got, I don't know, we have never ate at this place. So you got Mayberry Country. Mayberry Country.
We're eating at the Walker Soda Shop, Soda Fountain.
See, there's little places that you can come in and sit down at. We've never done this though.
There's a bunch of murals. There's a couple of murals.
Yeah. But we've never walked this place at nighttime. I think we went to the, there's
an old theater.
There's a theater over here, right there. And they showed old movies. We saw I Married a Monster from Outer Space or something like that.
It was the movie with Barney in it.
And there was the ghost of Mr. Chicken.
Yeah, that one was on.
Walker's Soda Fountain.
We've been there
now
before.
we've eaten in here, and they got some good food. They got some good old style fountains, and you can get soda pops, and you can eat right there at the counter. That's a good place to eat. Here's one here. This is Sandra's favorite place to go. Bear Creek Fudge Factory.
And gifts.
And gifts. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you have never been in this place, you need to come. Really, really nice. I see some honey in there. I may have to come back. Got the big bear.
They got all different flavors of popcorn and candy and fudge and
Oh, they got everything.
everything. I'll get them.
They got everything under the sun in this place. And of course, look at them. All in there. Hey, didn't you see that guy rushing by here?
And they have the painted guitars like Lexington has the painted pigs.
They what?
They have the painted guitars like Lexington has the painted pigs.
Yeah.
They're periodically throughout the place.
Really cool. A touch of Mayberry. Miss Angel's Pies.
This is my
Heavenly
other favorite
Pies.
place.
Yeah, oh yes. We almost came here today. We will be here tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
And oh my goodness, talk about all types of stuff. She has got it going on in this place. We'll show you some pictures of this place tomorrow. And here's this Earl Theater. They're playing Wonder Woman 1984.
Yeah, that's new. They also have music here. Yeah, this is the theater where Andy did plays and stuff in high school.
Really neat. But yeah, they several years ago they were playing the old
That was during Mayberry Days.
Mayberry Days. They did Mayberry Days. Okay, the old movies. You could come in here. They played one price, and they kept it on going on after midnight.
Yeah. Here's Opie's Candy Store.
Opie's Candy Store. So you see, everything is centered around Andy Griffith Show.
And here's the Snappy Lunch.
The Snappy Lunch. Get you a pork chop sandwich. Floyd's Barbershop. Now, I've actually... Did I get my hair cut here, or was it just Maddie?
No, it was Austin.
He's dead now. Yeah, he
his
died.
name was Russell.
Yeah, he died. and he's got a wall in there full of, I think there's a lot of celebrities that come in here. And so there's the restrooms over here.
Yeah, they got nice restrooms.
Yeah, they're really nice. Really nice. Again, place for you to sit. If you guys have never came out here during Mayberry days, you're going to have to check this out. It really is a lot of fun and a lot of people.
And then they have the Autumn Leaves Festival after that in
Here you go.
October.
Mayberry Music Center. Witt's frozen custard. Now I'm telling you now, if you haven't had frozen custard, you don't know what you're missing. Frozen custard, I think it's better than ice cream.
It is. It's all creamy.
Now the what's that one place?
Highway 55.
Highway 55. Highway 55. Hamburgers. They have frozen custard. So if any of you guys ever stop to see a Highway 55, check that out.
There's the place where we painted the Christmas trees.
Yep. Over here is where we did the Christmas trees. In this area right here. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and just walk up to it. Hey, check this out. I've seen these. These are these little free library things. Right here, it even says it. Little free library. But you can come in here, you can pick a book, leave a book, and just really neat. I've seen one that was in, you remember the,
I have food in it.
can you hook that?
Yeah, I've got it.
It had Doctor Who, that telephone booth. I saw one that was it was in Kannapolis at the West A. Baker Street, or Baker Park. They had one that was in the shape, it looked just like the Doctor Who telephone booth, and they took it down. All right here.
Wild Child Ceramics.
Wild Child Ceramics. You guys want to, for those of you that's followed me on Facebook, you've seen the Christmas tree that I did with the Santa Claus family. This is where I did it. This is where I did it at. I did 3 nights here, and then I went to Fancy Gap at their main studio and did the tree there. But it only cost it's $10 for the class, and then whatever your tree cost. And so a lot of fun. I think the whole cost on mine may have been about $70, $70 to $80, $77, or somewhere in that area there. It just depends. It can be just about as expensive as you want it. Wild Child Ceramics. I think it's neat to walk this place at nighttime.
It is neat.
But this is a really old town, and it's just, I love these old towns. It's very nostalgic. Okay, this right here is, I think it's the best antique place here in Mount Airy, the Mayberry Antique Mall. And I'm telling you what, boy, do they have the stuff in here. I mean, you can spend some time in this place. They got 2 levels, if I remember correctly. And there's a magazine right there, NSYNC Bop. NSYNC Bop. Back when they was at the height of their days in Boys Life. I used to get Boys Life magazines years ago up there. And so I've gotten some National Geographics, old National Geographics from here that I've been able to use in the creation ministry. But this is a really nice, for those of you that are into antique or just nostalgic stuff in general, this is the place to come. Even if you don't buy anything, it's like a big museum. Here we go. That right there's a picture.
Yeah, never thought we'd see that.
Okay, here's the coffee shop we like to go to. I don't know if you can see the name of it there. Pages. They got books and stuff like that. They got some good coffee here. This is where we saw the llama.
Yes.
We were coming out and there was a guy with a llama here. I actually got it. It's on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I think it was the last time we came to Greystone. I think it's called Back to Greystone or something like that.
It was in March.
Yeah. But yeah, right here. And here's another one of those guitars. They got them kind of peppered here and there throughout the town. Barney's. There's another place. Barney Burger. Get the Barney Burger.
Here's one of my favorite stores, but Donnie won't ever let me spend any money here.
Where? Oh, the Dapper Hound.
I love this place.
I'd let you bought stuff from here before.
Not really.
Yeah, we got some for the dogs, didn't we?
No, we got a sticker. Or a magnet. I never buy anything for him here. That's so cute. Finn would be so cute in that little red sweater. Oh my gosh. He loves sweaters.
He's got enough of them already.
He loves sweaters. Kiki's the one that don't like. Oh my gosh, look at that heart dress. Oh gosh.
Anyway, you want to spoil your dogs, come here.
So cute. The Dapper Hound. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute on Kiki.
Uh-huh.
She would hate it. She would hate it.
Okay, right here is the Mount Airy Museum of Regional History. And this is at Oak and what is this, Main Street? Is
Yes,
this what you would consider this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Main Street is one way.
Yeah, Main Street and Oak. And yes, Main Street is a one-way street. And so, I don't think we've been in this.
No, we haven't.
Have not been in here. Okay, this right here is called the Whittling Wall. The Whittling Wall. And you want to see some really wild characters.
That's the Whittler.
This is the Whittler. And it looks like brick. They got it made up where it looks like actual brick. That is so cool.
And then this is
What are these guys called?
Fred Cockerham.
Well, you got Tommy Gerald,
And Fred Cockerham.
Fred Cockerham,
This
and
is
Ralph Epperson.
This is
These guys here.
Donna Fargo.
So these are just people that are known in the community, I'm assuming.
Donna Fargo, she's a country music singer.
That's cool.
And then you got, I don't know how to pronounce how you spell it? Leon.
Leonidas, or something like that.
L.H.
Harold
Jones.
L.H. Jones.
And this is Flip Reese. And then this is the mill worker.
Yeah. And just like I've stated before in my other videos,
Mount Airy's in Milltown.
yeah, it's a lot of the people in the South know very well the mills.
Spencer's kids' clothing was made here. It's down there. Look.
They're what now?
Spencer's. It's kids' clothing.
Yeah.
Anybody remembers my kids wore Spencer's clothes?
Some of these, y'all, we're going to have to get some more pictures in the morning. Excuse me, well, in the daylight tomorrow. We just got a wild hair and decided to walk this place at nighttime. And so, but there's just all types of places through here.
That's a brewery down there.
Yeah. But there's a Spencer's Incorporated right down here.
Children's wear. I remember Spencer's. It was kind of like Carter's. Kids' clothes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now this place here, Bark and Meow Company Pet Bakery, they had a Sasquatch, Bigfoot, standing right here that was painted in the gold color. But now they got a big giraffe instead.